This is how we built built-in bookcases using Havsta cabinets. I'm going to go pretty quick through this video, so sit back and enjoy. Here's the wall where we wanted the built-in cabinets. And these are the tools I used to build the cabinets. I ripped up the carpet and built a framework to hold the cabinets. Then we started building the 3 Havsta cabinets. The frame lets them sit level to one another. The remaining space was not wide enough for a 4th Havsta cabinet, so I had to build my own. I used the KREG hidden hinge jig and KREG pocket hole jig to build the doors. I used 1x12s for the shelving and the uprights. And I used 1x2s to make all the supports. The upright trim pieces are 1x3s. What you see here is the first of 3 coats of primer. We followed that up with 3 coats of Benjamin Moore Premier cabinet paint. And this is the finished room. The room also had an alcove in it that originally had a TV, and we wanted to make it into a cabinet. So the next few video sequences will show that. I made shaker doors and used hidden hinges to match the cabinets. Then I installed trim to make the alcove look like a cabinet. I made the top trim piece out of leftover wood. Thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, write a note on the back of a Milwaukee 20-volt combo kit and send it to me. Thanks.